Too sexy for this ice. Too sexy for that jack. Yeah.
Away from me.
Too sexy for this chain. Too
Money. Everybody mad. Think I'm getting too much money. Everybody mad.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Nene. I'm back with a new video, a new age. Y'all, I just turned 26 on Saturday, which was September the 4th. We are doing wonderful things. I got all of September planned out. Y'all ain't never did that. I got all of September's videos planned out because I want to do something kind of special for my birthday, I guess. I don't know, just kind of celebrating a new, not really a new me, but the real me. You get what I'm saying? So today's video is going to be a hair install and review, y'all. I was sent some hair by Fashion Plus Hair, and I'm just going to be playing with that today. So yeah, if you're interested in seeing what I'm going to be doing, definitely keep on watching. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And while you're at it, follow me on Instagram and TikTok at PinupsAndPearls. And let's go ahead and get started. Alright y'all, so here is the wig. It is a loose wave headband wig. It's 22 inches. There is 4 combs on the inside. It also comes with adjustable straps. It is big head friendly, small head friendly, whatever, all that. And it's got the adjustable straps with the Velcro, so you can secure it to your head a little bit more. It is true to length. It's supposed to be 150% density, but it's giving more like 130, just a little bit, I feel. I don't know though. I mean, yeah, it's giving 130. I'm not even gonna sit here and try to front yet. It's giving 130, it's not giving 150. But the wig was only $97. So I mean, you can't really beat that. You get what I'm saying? All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and try the wig on so you guys can see what it looks like on my head. And yeah, we'll go from there. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the hair up right quick so I can tighten up the straps. Yeah. And then, which way? There we go. There we go. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and let my hair down. All right, and I'm gonna pull the wig back a little bit so y'all can see these little crusty swoops that I got going on right here. It's giving boneless edges right here, y'all. They got freaking messed up because I had my bonnet on top of them, looking crazy. Let me see, I might be able to fix it, but I don't know. I'm gonna have to lay it down. Whatever. Anyway, it look all right for me. I don't really wear headband wigs like that because I have to do all that to my hair, and I ain't trying to do all that to my hair. I'd rather put on a closure or a frontal, but for this video and styling purposes, we're gonna do it like this. So right onto my head, like, and I did wash this wig, y'all, so this is what it's gonna look like after you wash it. It's the texture, how the waves gonna come out, everything. I let it air dry. So yeah, this is what it's giving. It's cute, but it ain't cute enough for me. These waves are giving salt water, and I need to be fresh water. Alright, so this is the perfect opportunity for me to use my new Infinity Pro Conair wand. I got this at Ross for $20, and this is my first time using it, y'all. I had it for like 2 months, but I figured this would be the perfect time to use it. So I've already got it plugged up and ready to go. Oops. So I'm going to take this heat defense spray by the generic brand. You know, you get this at Sally's, whatever. And I'm just going to spray my hair, use it as my heat protectant, and then I'm going to comb it all through. All right, so now that I got the hair combed through, I'm gonna go ahead and just like part off a section in the back and tie up the rest of it in the front, well, at the top. And I'm gonna take the wand, grab like a little medium size or large size piece, because I ain't got all day, you know. So I'm gonna grab my wand and just wrap the hair around. I'm kind of twisting it as I wrap too, like I would do like wand curls, like regular, like a tapered wand curls. But this is a this one isn't tapered, so it's gonna give like a even wave. Oh, hey. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and like speed through this and like speed it up so y'all can just see the end result. Alright y'all, so I got my hair all curled and I'm going to take the thermal spray again and I'm just going to spray a little bit, just give it a little hold. Also, I'm gonna take a little bit of the Got To Be glue spray and like just go over it, whatever. And then go sit down, boy. And then I'm gonna take this Garnier Fructis Slick and Shine serum and put a nickel size, rub it all through my hands, outside and everything. And I'm just going to go through the curls, run my fingers through the curls. Oh Lord, my nail. Alright, then I'm going to take this wide tooth comb and just comb through it a little bit, just to kind of make it a little more full. See, yeah, oh wow. Alright y'all, so I got it's how I want it, and I'm going to just try on some of these headbands that they sent over. They sent over 5 headbands in total. Some of them I already have from other headbands, like this one, so I'm not even gonna try that one on. I already got that one. So I'll try this one on. It's like flowers or something, like pink and red and green, you know, just slide it up over the headband and boom. That's cute. Oh, that was cute. I like it. I can tell it'll be cute with an outfit or whatever. Or maybe it's just the way that my hair is styled. Like, maybe that's what I'm liking. I don't know about the actual colors of the headband, but it is cute though. Yeah, it'll be cute, like a nice little, cute little top, whatever. So that's that one. This one is basically the same, so I'm not gonna try that one on. Here is a pink one. A light pink one, like some green flowers. Oh, that's cute. And that's real cute with my pearls. You know, pinups and pearls. My hair keeps getting stuck in my nail and it's getting aggravating. Alright y'all, so I had to fix that little swoop in the front because it wasn't giving me what I thought it should have been given. I mean, it still ain't even really giving like that because it looked like a CD. But I mean, it looked better than what it did. So this is this headband, y'all. It's real cute with the waves, whatever. I like it with the pearls. That's real cute. Like this, I probably will like really wear this wig and wear the headbands. Yeah, because this one is so cute. Oh my gosh, I just feel real like pretty with this one, you know. I just felt like real pretty, you know. I mean, I always feel pretty, but this one's just like pretty, you know, real cute. All right, and for the last one, all right y'all, so for the last one we got a white one with like some pink flowers, some pink flowers. If you watch Love and Hip Hop, you know where they come from. I don't know, maybe it's like the style itself that's just making me like feel real cute. But whatever it is, I like it. I love it. Thank you to Fashion Plus Hair for sending over this wig to review. It is so gorgeous. You guys go and pick this wig up. It is only $90-something for this exact wig, and it will be shipped through Amazon Prime, so it'll come in 2 days or the very next day, depending on how early you order it. So yeah, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. While you're at it, go ahead and follow me on Instagram and TikTok at PinupsAndPearls, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.